think. Okay.
So what do you got there, Max?
I got walk the floor. Okay. And
Okay.
I'm going to take out all the pieces.
Okay. What do you got there? You gotta talk to your fans.
I got the whipper, which I have to put it together. Then I can have to do this.
Okay.
And then we got the Daddy. Daddy, can you have to do this?
Okay. Well, then I gotta stop the video.
No, Daddy, I can hold it.
You hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this ripper goes in here.
Yeah.
Like this. Looks like it goes like that, and then you wait. Or does it go this way?
Yeah, it goes that way.
Goes this way?
No, this way.
Or this way? Yeah.
No, Daddy, the other way.
The other way?
Yeah.
But then it doesn't get. I think you gotta thread it through. Bring it through like this.
Hey, you don't do it.
What are the instructions? Have to see the instructions. Well, this one isn't going.
We got the stickers too.
Go like this, Max?
Yeah, even comes with stickers.
Let's see. I'm trying to figure this out here. Well, there we go. We got the ripper.
Yeah, I still hold this again.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to need some scissors. Wait! Don't cut the commercial.
Don't cut the commercial?
Hey, don't cut it. Don't
Okay.
cut the video. Hey.
You got to put stickers on? I'll put the stickers on later. You gotta be careful
This is
with
the
them.
same metal as deep cano.
Okay.
What is for?
I don't know. That's a stamina. Do you see the box, Max? It says stamina.
I got stamina.
You want to show them the box? I show them the box, Max. You know what it's from? You see the letters on it? It's in another language. What is it from? From China. It's the Stamina Booster Beyblade. Okay. You gonna give a demonstration, Max?
Don't think so. That's a quick.
Okay, y'all done, Max? You want me to stop the video?
No.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Let me stop the video?
No.
Yeah, you gonna take a video of me?
No, I'm going
Okay.
to.
Hello, fans. This is Max's dad. Just helping him out a little bit here. Here we go. Okay.
You.
Give it a test.
We got the sticker.
Oh, no.
I don't forget the stickers.
Okay, we'll do that later.
So you see, you can go on the other side.
Okay, you want me to try to put the Beyblade together again? You just gotta twist it till it goes in. Here, you want me to try it? Are you doing the stickers? You need help with that? You want me to help you with the stickers? You gotta look at the book, the box, see where they put it, see? You want me to help you with it? So let's try doing a spin and then we can put the stickers on after.
I know you want those cheeky brains, but I am not the person you want. I didn't go through my, here we go.
Here, give it to me.
The dolphin. Look down.
Hey Mac, throw the camera.
Okay.
You filming me?
Yep.
You gotta make sure it clicks on tight like that. There, okay. Be careful, the other shot. Mac, don't break it. Just try to spin it. Okay, put it in the ripper.
I want it not clicking.
Just put it in the ripper. Mac is gonna get loose again.
Oh, it's
Mac, just try it.
Let's do this again.
Okay.
And it's a bus again. I'm not playing this. Walk over. So he's handy.
Hey Mac.
It's really good to
Oh, here, you hold this. I'll try it.
Maybe it's a stick.
These things are tricky. Well, it just goes in a little bit. Doesn't have to go that much. Yeah, let me try it. Where's the ripper? Ready?
Yeah.
You want to try it, Max?
Okay.
Ah! Why does this keep going? Hold on. I'm gonna turn this off.